Today we are looking at a 3D project. This is what I call an overlay. Here is a Behringer X-touch Mini. It's a standard USB MIDI controller. You got all of these potentiometer to change the dial up and down, slider, and multiple buttons, plenty of buttons. I use this MIDI controller not to control music, but to control DaVinci Resolve 17. This is my workhorse to edit all of my movies, videos very efficiently. The funny thing about this controller is that it comes with plenty of overlays. Well, the overlays are not included. You can buy them from eBay or Amazon, and they are ridiculously expensive. So I decided to, well, why don't I just 3D print the overlays? And this is what I came up with. On Thingiverse, you can find this overlay for free. It comes with a blank template, and then I just basically add the text in from Tinkercad. So here you can see frame, scroll, clip. These are all the controls for my DaVinci Resolve video editing software. You can see that this has been tied down with the M5 screws. I'm not sure what this is, M5 or M3 screws. So if I ever need to change it, I can just pop the screws out, pop another overlay down, and then secure it with the M5 screw. 4 of them. The Behringer X-touch Mini is a mini USB interface. I'm using a 90-degree right angle just to make the cable straight and going straight into my desktop for a much cleaner look, because I didn't want the wire to, wiggle out, bend, curve all over the place like that. What do you think? Pretty good overlays, right? Of course, for all of your other instruments, you can change the overlays or whatever. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hopefully this inspires you to use a 3D printer to create overlays for other controllers as well, not just this X-touch Mini. Thanks for watching.